Okay. So after the poem Beetle, here we are with the story, the funny story or the intelligent one, whatever you want to say, Birbal's Khichdi. So this was a story of Emperor Akbar and Birbal. It was basically a story about the wit of Birbal and the intelligence of Birbal, how he taught a lesson to Emperor Akbar. We are going to do a short recap of this story. What was the base there in the story? The story moved round one conversation between Birbal and Akbar when one morning, cold morning, Akbar along with Birbal was walking along the path near the river. Suddenly Birbal said that people can do anything for money. Akbar denied and contradicted his statement, and he said that nobody, even for money, can stand in the cold water of the lake for a night. So Birbal said that there are people who would be ready to do so. Akbar agreed to what Birbal said, and he said that if any person wished and succeeded in doing so, then he would be rewarding him with what? 1,000 gold coins. Finally, Birbal started looking for a person who was in need of money, and he found a poor man who was really badly in need of money. The man was ready to stand for the whole night in the cold water, and he did so. But the next day, when Emperor Akbar asked him how he succeeded in doing so, he said that there was a lamp which was burning far away in the palace, somewhere in the palace, and just looking into the lamp, he distracted his mind from the coldness of the water, and in this way he was able to stand in the water. Emperor Akbar got furious and he said that the man had cheated him, and so he did not give him the promised reward. The poor man, was sad and he went to Birbal for help. The next day, Birbal was absent from the court, and after sending guards to a messenger to Birbal, the Birbal did not arrive in the court. Finally, Emperor Akbar himself went to Birbal's house and found that he was cooking khichdi, but the fire was quite far away from the pot where the khichdi was being cooked. Emperor Akbar could not help laughing and asked Birbal how this pot of khichdi would be cooked if it was hung so far away from the fire. Then Birbal said that in the same way as the poor man would have got the warmth of the lamp that was lit far away somewhere in the palace. When Birbal said this, Emperor Akbar realized his mistake and he rewarded the poor man. So this is the basic story. We will just go through the PowerPoint presentation once. This story portrays two well-known historical figures, Emperor Akbar and Birbal, that are now part of a rich collection of legendary stories. This is a story about how Birbal, an advisor in Emperor Akbar's court, made him realize his mistake. One day, while taking a walk along the riverside, Birbal said that a man can do anything for money. The emperor disagreed and challenged Birbal to find such a person who would be willing to spend an entire night in the cold water of the lake in winter for money. Finally, Birbal found a man who was ready to spend the night in the lake. So this is the lake, Emperor Akbar, and this is Birbal. The next day, when Akbar asked the man how he had managed to stand in such cold water on a wintry night, the man replied that he fixed his attention on a lamp burning in the palace, and warmth of the light helped him take his mind off the coldness of water. The emperor charged the poor man of cheating and refused to give the promised reward. Okay, so this is the poor man. The next day, Birbal did not show up in the court. Akbar sent his messenger to find the reason and told the emperor that Birbal would come to the court once the khichdi that he was making was cooked. After waiting for many hours, Akbar decided to go and look into the matter himself. When he reached, he found that the pot of khichdi was hanging several feet above the fire. When Akbar asked Birbal how the khichdi could be cooked if the pot was so far from the fire. So see, the pot is hanging here and the fire is here. So it's several feet away from the fire. Birbal replied that the khichdi would receive heat from the fire, the same way the poor man must have received warmth from the lamp so far away from him. So now Birbal told Akbar and made Akbar realize what mistake he had done. Akbar realized his mistake and gave the reward to the poor man. Okay? So what are the morals of the story? You should not cheat. You should give the reward. You should give the person whatever you have promised. Let not your ego come in between. At times, impossible things can also be possible when there are no other way out. And even the faintest of the flicker of hope is enough to brave the coldest of winds. So, a positivity here, flicker of hope is showing optimism, positivity. A positivity always wins over negativity, that is pessimism. What is the theme? Wit. Birbal uses his intelligence to make Akbar realize his mistake. Adventure. It is an adventure to find a person who actually needs money. And what was the other adventure? The man standing in the cold water for the whole night was also a part of the adventure on part of the poor man. And this story illustrates the art and culture also. How? Art is that Birbal kills two birds with one stone. He makes the emperor realize his mistake and helps the poor man get his reward. And the humbleness and politeness of Birbal towards Akbar and the poor man shows true Indian culture. What are the settings of the story? The lake, Akbar's court, and Birbal's house. Which are the characters? Akbar, royal emperor, Birbal, Akbar's advisor, an extremely intelligent, witty and helpful person, poor man, honest, determined and hopeful. That's all, children. So if we go through the mind map of the story, the story is Birbal's khichdi. What are the characters? Characters: Birbal, Akbar's advisor and an extremely intelligent, witty and helpful person. Poor man, honest, determined and hopeful. Akbar, the royal emperor. Which are the settings of the story? The lake, Akbar's court and Birbal's house. What is the theme of the story? Wit. Birbal uses his intelligence to make Akbar realize his mistake. Adventure means a daring or unusual task. Poor man's courage to stand in cold water is an adventure. It is also an adventure to find a person who actually needs money. And art and culture we have already discussed. Birbal kills two birds with one stone. He makes the emperor realize his mistake and helps the poor man get his reward. And humbleness and politeness of Birbal towards Akbar and poor man shows true Indian culture. What are the three morals? That if somebody deserves a reward, give it to them. Impossible feats are possible when there is no way out. And even the faintest of the flicker of hope is enough to brave coldest of the winds. So this is the mind map. I hope, children, you all have drawn the mind map in your notebook. If not, I would request you all to please draw the mind map in your notebook. Okay? Children, please go through the story nicely so that you can Answer all the questions even if it is coming from within the story. Learn the word meanings properly. What is the moral of the story? What is the theme of the story? Read the story. My basic point is read the story nicely. You will be able to answer everything. Clear, dear children? Okay, children, thank you.